The world had become completely corrupt, violence, evil, everywhere. So God made a decision to cleanse the earth.
But one man found favor: Noah.
God told him, build an ark. No rain, no proof, just a command. He obeyed anyway. Day after day, he built while they mocked. Until one day, until the signs began. The sky changed, silence, then a drop, another, and then the rain begins. The heavens broke open. Water rose, people prayed, but it was light.
And mercy remained.
When God gives a warning, it's not to scare you, it's to save you.